Cake Diva, and today I'm going to show you how to make a CD out of fondant. I'm going to take a 6-inch round pan. I have some gray already rolled out. I'm going to put the thicker end with the edge on top of the gray fondant. Now I'm going to trace it with a kitchen knife. I always start away from myself and just work all the way around. Once you've made that clean cut, just remove the pan, take any excess fondant off. Now we just need to make a small hole in the middle. You can use any round cookie cutter or simply just use one of your tips. I'm going to put that in the middle and press down and turn. I'm just going to use my kitchen knife to remove that. And now we have a CD. But if you are looking for that glittery luster look, then you can use some edible pearl spray. That'll help give it a little bit of a shine and that metallic CD look. And that's how you make a fondant CD. Again, my name is Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I taught you how to make a CD out of fondant.